What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing, doing a review, New Balance Kawhi 2s. Let's go. What's good, everyone? I'm Zach here with Tamster's Kicks. Today, like I said, we have the new Kawhi 2s in. I know this shoe came out a little bit ago, but this is a special collab with Joe Freshgoods. You guys don't know Joe Freshgoods. He is a designer and he collabed on this New Balance. He collabs with a ton of different New Balances, but he also did it with the Kawhi 2 basketball shoes. So I'm gonna do a little basketball shoe review today and break these down. If you guys haven't seen a review, we're gonna go through the traction, materials, support, all that stuff. I'll give my reviews at the end, get some fire B-roll, all that good stuff. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment if you guys want to hoop in these shoes. I'm excited for them. They feel really good on, so let's get into it. Now, these released May 24th, retail at $160, a little expensive, but with the collab and the different aspects of the shoe, they're pretty sick. Like I said, Joe Freshgoods is a designer and he does a lot of different New Balance stuff. And box details, pretty cool. Got a couple different things here with like that marble look on the shoe. And these are pretty fire. Color on these, I couldn't pass them up. Joe Freshgoods has some fire designs, and this was one definitely I was waiting on. First, that traction is solid, well-spaced rubber throughout the outsole on these. And that pattern is kind of a little weird looking, honestly, on the shoe. Doesn't seem like it get the most grip possible, but it is pretty grippy to the floor. Now, those grooves aren't very well spaced and deep, like I said, so I would definitely not recommend this shoe for outdoor play, especially with the high retail at $160. You might not want to hoop in these outside. Maybe look at like a Zion 1 or like a Kyrie even to hoop outside. It's a little better than these, so I wouldn't do that for outside, but the grip is pretty good off the bat, but a little disappointed on the overall traction of these. The cushion, New Balance stays true to their full-length fuel cell foam underfoot all throughout, and I mean, they're pretty good. It's pretty nice, pretty comfortable. That fuel cell adds a little bit of weight to the shoe, but not too much, and I really do like it. I thought it was pretty comfy. Break-in time, gonna take a little bit with these. I did notice it was gonna need that break-in, but overall it was pretty good. And that fuel cell is kind of a nitrogen-infused based midsole cushion unit, and it's not as good as some of the other New Balances Kawhi used to hoop in the Omnis shoes, and I thought those had a much better cushion than these, so a little bit disappointed with that, but overall still pretty good. The materials, the Kawhi 2 uses a fit weave light material all around the shoe. And from the price standpoint, it's kind of interesting. And I mean, I think especially with this pair, they did it on purpose with the certain colorway with Joe Freshgoods, but the design is super sweet on that. I really like the design. I think the upper does a lot of good things. You have kind of that lighter weaved mesh all around the shoe, and it provides pretty good support and lockdown. That fit weave is kind of a light, thin textile mesh all around. The material is a little better here at the back, on that back heel. It's a little tighter, kind of a little just more premium, but overall it's a little more average. The fit on these, definitely true to size. I usually go half up in a lot of shoes, but half size up was way too big, so definitely go true to size if you guys are picking these up. Support, nothing crazy. That heel lockdown is nice with that material there, and you have a little bit of support here with the Achilles in the back. Midfoot lockdowns, okay, not the best, but it does contribute to the support as well. And that kind of lighter, thin textile gives me some Dame vibes, some Dame Lillard shoes. They do that a lot, so it wasn't the best, honestly, but it's still pretty good. Traction unit 7.5 out of 10. It's all right. It's not going to do you well on the outdoor courts. It will be pretty good, but playing like more than like a couple hours will probably start to hurt in these ones. And then we talk about with the cushion, another 7.5 out of 10. It's good. It definitely needs to be broken in as well, but that fuel cell still is a pretty nice technology. It needs to be improved, and I don't think they did too well on these ones. Materials, I wasn't very impressed with. Colorway, I really love the colorway on them, but materials 7 out of 10. Could be better. And the fit too, I would actually give these ones pretty good on the fit, maybe an 8, because of the good lockdown, as well as me personally not having to go up half a size and having some extra dead space. Finally, the support is also going to be an 8 out of 10. It's good for that kind of mid-high top range, but nothing crazy again. And I was really hoping for these to be a banger bad boy shoe, but nothing crazy. The details are super nice, and for the price point, it's just kind of more of an average shoe. I just put out that Zion 1 video, and I really liked those as far as a good comparison with these. Honestly, they're kind of have not too similar text, but some different details on the shoes as well, like with the upper, with the collar height, stuff like that. Kind of makes them similar, and you can get the Zions for $30-40 cheaper. So I'd probably look at that route as an alternative, but Joe Freshgoods, a collaboration on these, super sick. That's going to be it for the review on the Kawhi 2s. Overall, like I said, it's a good shoe, not anything super crazy. I won't be looking to pick up multiple pairs of the Kawhi 2, but hopefully they can improve, make some better changes needed, and do something sick with the Kawhi 3s coming out, hopefully soon. But that's it. Leave a like. Thank you guys for sticking to the end, watching. We'll see you on the next one.